Hi, and welcome to this video where we will be controlling an LED through Wi-Fi using our web server. We'll start with the AP version, so you want to make sure that you have your LED AP code up here. First, instead, you want to add two different cases. So we'll add an else here, and I'm just going to copy this. And first we'll do on. Then we'll do another one saying off. So LED on, LED off. And now we can say digital right 16 high. Digital right 16 low. And in the setup, we want to put in pin mode 16 output. And then we want to just write to it low because we don't want it to turn on immediately. And do you see why I'm using 16 instead of pin? Well, guess what? Typing in 16 takes 2 characters and typing in pin takes 3. So it's just more convenient. Anyway, that is our new code. Let's download now. Okay, now let's go ahead and upload it. And if we look over here, the LED should start blinking now. It's blinking, as you can see right there. %. And it's almost done, about 92 now. 91, sorry. And that's done. Let's go to Google Chrome. We are connected to the network, which is good. Let's make sure that this works. First, okay. Let's go to on. Now on's going to turn it off because the pin right here is actually off when 16 is high, and it's on, the LED is on when 16 is off. So it's the complete opposite. Now let's go to off, and it turns on. The LED turns on. Now we can just go to the forward root directory, and it works without any problem. Okay, so that was our AP LED control. We will be using something similar to control our motors later, which is why this is really cool, it's really easy, and it's useful. I'll see you in the next video where we will be building the same thing but non-AP. I'll see you then. Bye.